Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I would like to present my analysis of the teaching demo video on YouTube that I found. That is from Stephanie B. S. Tillor. So, in this teaching demo, she already has a clear objective, but she doesn't say it directly at the beginning. So from the lesson, we can see that the goal is students understand and can use uh, demonstrative pronouns like this, that, this, and those. So the material is quite structured, and the teacher start from reviewing previous lessons about nouns, then show pictures, and after that explain the new topic. And the teacher teaching methods she use combines explanation, uh, questioning, and group activity. In the introduction or opening the class, the teacher grades the students, does prayer, and checks attendance. That I think is good to prepare the class and to get students' attention. She use pictures and ask students to observe them. And I think this is good because visuals can make students more interested. She also connects with previous knowledge by asking about nouns so students can relate the previous lesson to with the new one. And the teacher also explained the material quite clearly and step by step. And she starts from examples, then give a definition and explains when to use each pronouns. She also used illustration like near and far, singular and plural, which really helps students understand better. And also she used gestures like pointing, and that I think is very suitable for the topic. But maybe there are some small mistakes in examples, but it is still understandable. And in questioning, the teachers ask clear questions like asking students what they observe from the pictures. So most of the questions are still low level, like identifying something, but there is also high level questions, more like activity, when students are asked to make a conversation. She also calls students by name. That is good to encourage participation. But maybe uh, the wait time can a bit longer, so students have more time to think. But I think that's maybe because it's just a teaching demo, so she don't want to wasting time. And the teacher always give positive feedback like very good, or when students answers correctly. But the reinforcement is mostly verbal, so maybe the teacher can aid it with more nonverbal expressions like gestures or facial expressions. And the teacher can manage the class quite well, so the class looks organized, especially when doing group activity. And the time management is also quite good because the lesson runs smoothly from beginning until the end. Uh, she also gives clear instruction when dividing the students into some groups. And at the end of the lesson, the teacher asks students if they understand the lesson. So that is good, I think, because it's can to check understanding. And she also gives a homework or a preparation for the next topic. But she doesn't really summarize the main point of the lesson, so maybe she can improve that by summarizing lesson in the end. So I think Stephanie teaching demo is really good, but just need some improvement. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.